Hello there and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys a setting that is going to change the exposure of your YouTube channel completely. This is a setting that is going to help YouTube, or is going to make YouTube recommend all your videos on your channel, whether it's being old videos and then recent videos. YouTube is going to recommend all these videos time to time. If you turn on this setting, it's very much simple and easy. I'm going to show you guys how to do this in the video. So to do this, let's hop on our YouTube studio. So you can see on this tab I have my YouTube studio opened here. So on here we move to customization. You can do this on a mobile phone as well, but then you need to open YouTube studio on your mobile phone. So I tap on this here and then it brings me to this page, which is customization. So on your customization, you'd have to move to your home tab here. So I move to my home tab here. So on this page I scroll down here and I move to this side. So this is where the real deal lies. So on here I need to just adjust some settings and then I'm good to go. That's what I'm going to show you guys in the video. So I tap on this here. Good. So by default these will be turned off. You just need to turn them all on. You can see this is my channel, so I have them all turned on. By default all of them will be turned off, will be turned on. So you turn all of them on, and here a recommendation here from recent content only. That's content that you've been posting for the last 12 months to this. That's content you upload freshly on your channel, and your oldest content on your channel as well, something like that. So you want YouTube to recommend all these type of videos, and now here you tap on done here and then you publish, and that's it. You're good to go. So when someone hops on your YouTube channel, YouTube is going to recommend all your old videos, and also when they are watching your video on YouTube is going to recommend your old and new videos to them as well, depending on their watch history on YouTube as well. So that's it on how you can change the exposure of your YouTube channel by just turning on a setting, and then it's going to make YouTube recommend all your videos, your old and then your recent videos, to viewers on YouTube. That's it for the video. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. I have a new video on all the types of recommendations by YouTube. I'll be posting that soon, so you can subscribe to my channel and then wait for that, or you can check my channel to see whether it's been posted. That's it once again. Peace.